Hi everyone, this is Richard. Let's talk a little bit about string types. Okay, so let's go over the types in a little bit more detail. So notice we declared two variables, greet and next, and we instantiated both of them as well at the same time. Okay, so we get these, remember the syntax, and I'm just going to write down greet, so it has the value of hello, right? So let's just do that. Okay. So what else can we do with strings? Well, we can actually add them together, right? So if we add greet and next together, what are we going to actually get? Well, it should be hello world. Notice there's no space in between, okay? So what if, and what are things that you can do with strings at this point in time? That's most of it, okay? You can change these values and it will reflect the change in the program output, of course. No issues, no bugs, or anything like that. But what if I wanted to add, like, for example, like a comma right inside of there, like the original, okay? So I could do a couple of things. I could say, quote, comma, space, plus, okay? So greet, here's text, right? This is text. So this variable, text, this variable, so I can do that. I could do that, so it'll be hello world. I could also do another string and say string, comma, equals, like if I'm going to do this a lot, comma, space. So then I could simply do greet plus comma, oh, hang on. Autocomplete is getting crazy. Comma plus next. I could do that too, right? So you would add all these strings together. Notice the order does make a difference on how you type it. So we, uh-oh, wait a minute. Oh, whoops. Again, have to say, you always have to do the right thing, type the right thing every single time. The computer takes you literally. That's what we can do. Is there another way we could do it? Yes, it's a little bit more advanced. But we could do what we call string interpolation. We could do that, and I'll just show you this briefly because it's nifty to know this in the very beginning. If you put a $sign, why a $sign? Just because it is. That's not a keyword. I can't remember what this is actually called. If you know what it is, leave a comment in the comment section, okay? So, well, it's like basically it's a character that gives the value to this, okay? So what you would do is you would say, curly brackets, you would say greet, comma, space, next. So you could do that. You don't need the comma space because it's built right inside here. Comma space next, whoops. Curly brackets, next, and end quote. Okay, so $sign, greet. Notice what's the variable greet is inside the curly brackets, outside the curly brackets, comma, space. So we'll delete this. Inside the curly brackets next, so it'll get this information, put the value inside of these areas. So that's what we call string interpolation. Just makes it easier for you, okay? If we run it, it's going to be hello world, and that's how it works. Okay, so that's what we can use for strings overall. We can manipulate them a lot more in the future, and we will. But let's keep moving forward. Thanks.